Hello, friends. It's me, Ribbit. Today is a fun day because we are at the farm and we are gonna meet so much animals here. What's that sound? It sounds like moo. What animal says moo? I know it. It's a cow. Do you know where the cow is? It's eating some hay. What's that sound? It sounds like a dog. Dog says woof, 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 woof. Did you know that dog just licks you? Because he loves to play with you all the time. Where's the dog? That's near the farmhouse. What's that sound? It sounds like a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. I can make a duck song sound. Where's the duck? It's near the pond. What's that sound? It sounds like a cat. I heard one meow. One meow. Where is the cat? It's on the farmhouse, peeking out of the window. What's that sound? It sounds like a horse. The horse says neigh. It says one neigh again one time. Where's the horse? Eating some hay too. What's that animal? We all know this animal. It's a sheep. I hear two bars. Can you sing a song about the sheep? Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. What's that sound? It sounds like a pig. Did you know that pig says oink oink? Yeah. What are they doing? They're playing on the mud and splashing. That's fun. What's that sound? It sounds like a chicken. Like the chicken is staying with your baby chicks. What's that sound? It sounds like a goat. Did you know that goat says ma? It's the same. Does the ba and ma rhyme? Yeah, you know that. What's that sound? It sounds like a frog. Did you know that frog says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit? It says abba, abba, abba. And they just hop and look for flies. What's that sound? It sounds like a rooster. Did you know that rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo? Yeah. Where's the rooster? is on the roof of the farmhouse. What's that sound? It sounds like a donkey. Did you know that donkey says hee-haw? Hee-haw! Oh, that was so much fun today. We learned about a lot of animals. Yay! If you want to watch more videos like this, then like and subscribe. Bye-bye for now. If you want to listen to some songs, here it is.
The dog says woof, woof, woof. The cat says meow, meow, meow. The cow in the field goes moo, moo, moo. Let's sing with the animals now. The duck says quack, quack, quack. The sheep says ba, ba, ba. The rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo. Let's make those sounds, me and you. The frog says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. The pig says oink, oink, oink. The horse goes neigh, 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 neigh. Sing along, let's play today. The donkey says hee-haw, hee-haw. The chicken clucks, cluck, cluck, cluck. The goat in the barn goes ma, ma, ma. Let's sing with the animals, yay! Animal sounds, hear them all around. In the farm and the forest, what sounds we found. Clap your hands and sing with glee. Animal sounds for you.